Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing how to connect this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens on Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera body. This is Canon EOS R50 camera. We need an adapter like this. This is Canon EOS R mount adapter. So we need this mount adapter to connect EF-EOS lens on Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. So this is a side where we need to connect EF-EOS lens, and here we can see one white mark here, and this is a side which we need to connect on camera body, and here we can see one red mark over here. First I am going to connect this mount adapter on this camera body. So first we need to find this red mark on this camera body, then find this red mark on mount adapter, then align these two red marks like this, then rotate the mount adapter in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Done. So now I have successfully connected this mount adapter on this camera body. So next I am going to connect this EF-EOS lens 55 to 250 mm lens on this mount adapter. So first we need to find this white mark on this mount adapter, then find white mark on this camera. See, then we need to align these two white marks. Just align these white marks, then we need to rotate this lens in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Done, it's locked. So this way we can connect this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens on this Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. So if you want to remove this lens, here we can see locking mechanism. We have to pull down, then rotate it to anti-clockwise direction. See, so this way we can remove this lens. If you want to remove adapter, we have to press and hold this button on the camera, then rotate this adapter in anti-clockwise direction. So this way we can remove adapter and lens together. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.